Hey guys, we are back at Cartland Road. So this is the 3-bed buy-to-let. This is week 3, I believe. Let's walk in. Okay, so Gavin started on the entrance, painting the walls. Looks a bit more presentable. We'll do the downstairs doors near the end. And this is the downstairs for reception rooms. That window looks really nice. I don't think it needs replacing, to be honest. It's a great space. So all the windows in here, apart from one, has been replaced. That's brand new. So we'll start to see it throughout the property. That's new as well. This will be near the end. Okay, lino has gone down, and then that's the new kitchen. Down there, so that'll be lino. We'll use this design throughout because it goes well with the white walls and grey carpets. So the fridge freezer will go there, and then the washing machine or washer dryer will go there. Bathroom, this will be clean at the end. So the new shower head and holder thing has been purchased, and that's been delivered. Generally speaking, you'll want to change stuff that tenants touch and feel, because that's what that's what leaves the impression on prospective tenants. That's the experience that tenants will have upstairs. Okay, so first few coating has been done on the stairs and railing as well. That's the new window. Oh, sorry, downstairs bathroom light has been changed as well to one of those, so they're a bit safer, a bit more presentable, especially in an area like this where there's going to be a lot of humidity. The previous one wasn't fit for purpose. That's the new flooring, so it's starting to look a bit more presentable. That going to replace these plastic strips as well, rather than sort of those old, really disgusting used ones. And then just replace the trim. That's the window that hasn't been replaced, so I need to talk to the window fitters about that. I'm pretty sure they've missed it because this room is very difficult to notice, although I did mention it a few times. The tiles have been cleaned down and regrouted. As you can see, it looks absolutely fantastic. That looks new. That saved a lot of money. And then the rest is just all the bedrooms. I think another coating has come on here, and it will need a few more coating as well, and then some repair work. Second bedroom, okay, that's been replaced. In fact, I think all windows here has been replaced. I think that window's been replaced as well. And then master bedroom, and these two large windows have been replaced as well. It's very quiet. There you go. Oh, sorry, the wall. Painting, redecorating has started on that wall. And that's it. So good progress. I think, yeah, a lot of the heavy lifting has been done. So I think it's just minor jobs here and there, which they can be quite time consuming. They will add up over time. After that, then it's carpeting. And really, we're good to go. And then the deep clean. And I'll ask Gavin to repaint the front as well, the front bay window, just to make that better first impression. And then also curtain poles along here. Let's have a quick look. Good space. And if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. I like to manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. We also build portfolios for our landlord and our investor clients, and this is one of them. Really nice neighbours here, really impressed with that. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. Alright, see you.